The mayor of Caba, La Union, and his councilor-wife have been tested positive for COVID-19. Mayor Philip Crispino and Councilor Donna Crispino are the first two COVID-19 cases in La Union. The councilor revealed their condition in a joint official statement posted on social media. The couple have been on self-quarantine. The two officials believe they got the virus after attending the Philippine Councilors League Convention in Manila last February 26.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.